Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Kia Sedona, and we're going to go over how you would replace this map light. And it's fairly simple, but we've got the map light where you just need to get a screwdriver and just pop this end off, and then it'll pop down, and then that's the thing to turn it off. And then this light, you just got to pull it out and get a new one to put in it. And this is a 175L175. Okay, so you get the light, your new light, and you just line up the tab there. Press it into place, double check that it works, and then the same, you put the, because we got two tabs on this side, we're going to put those in first, and then the locks on that side. And so that's how you replace your map light on your 2016 Kia Sedona.